Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to read books for both benefit and pleasure. In this video, we'll discuss how to find your favorite genre, why it's important to diversify your reading, and how to get the most out of your reading experience. Why reading books is important. Reading not only enriches our inner world, but also provides real benefits for our brain and mental health. For example, studies from Harvard Medical School show that regular reading helps reduce stress levels and improve cognitive functions. Find your favorite genre. For reading to become a lasting habit, it needs to be enjoyable. Research confirms that people are more likely to maintain habits that bring them joy. How to do it. Try reading books from different genres: science fiction, mysteries, historical novels, philosophical works, etc. This will help you determine your preferences. For example, if you want to read sci-fi, try A Roadside Picnic by Brothers Strugatsky. It is a philosophical work that can deeply influence your worldview. It was based on this book that the games in the Stalker series were created. Read one book from each genre to understand what you really like. There's no need to limit yourself to just scientific books or self-help literature. Fictional books can also have a profound impact on our worldview. Here are a few examples. 1984 by George Orwell. It tells the story of Winston Smith, a citizen of the miserable society of Oceania, who is trying to rebel against the party and its omnipresent symbol, Big Brother. Anna Karenina by Leo Tolstoy. The story centers on an extramarital affair between Anna and cavalry officer Count Alexei Kirillovich Vronsky that scandalizes the social circles of St. Petersburg and forces the young lovers to flee to Italy in a search for happiness. But after they return to Russia, their lives further unravel. The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. In Victorian England, Lord Henry Wotton observes artist Basil Hallward painting the portrait of Dorian Gray, a young man who is Basil's ultimate muse. The hedonistic Lord Henry thinks that beauty is the only aspect of life worth pursuing, prompting Dorian to wish that his portrait would age instead of himself. Of course, it's worth mentioning self-development books. These books help us grow and improve. They provide tools for enhancing self-discipline, emotional intelligence, and personal effectiveness. Reading self-development books gives us motivation and inspiration. Success stories and overcoming obstacles boost our confidence and help us move towards our goals. Many self-development books teach stress management techniques and mindfulness practices. This improves our mental health and overall well-being. Benefits of fictional books. Research shows that reading fiction improves empathy and social skills. A study by the University of Toronto confirms that reading fiction positively affects cognitive functions. How to get the most benefit from reading. To get the most out of reading, it's important to read with intention. Take notes, discuss what you've read with friends or in book clubs. Use the SQ3R technique: survey, question, read, recite, review to enhance your reading effectiveness. How to motivate yourself to read. First, set clear reading goals. Determine what you want to achieve by reading. Is it to learn a new skill, expand your knowledge, or simply to relax? Clear goals will give you a sense of purpose. Establish a regular reading routine. Choose a specific time each day dedicated to reading, like before bed or during your morning coffee. Consistency is key to forming a habit. Pick books that genuinely interest you. If you enjoy what you're reading, you're more likely to stick with it. Don't force yourself to read something just because you think you should. Start with small, manageable goals. Instead of aiming to read for an hour, start with 10 to 15 minutes. Gradually increase your reading time as it becomes a habit. Join a book club or reading group. Sharing your thoughts and discussing books with others can be very motivating. Plus, it adds a social element to your reading. Keep track of the books you've read and your thoughts on them. Use a reading journal or an app. Seeing your progress can be very satisfying and motivating. Set up a reward system. Treat yourself when you reach a reading milestone. It could be a small treat, a new book, or even some relaxation time. Remember, reading should be enjoyable, not a chore. By setting clear goals, creating a routine, and making it fun, you can motivate yourself to read more. Start today and discover the joy of reading. Reading in different languages. Reading books in foreign languages helps improve language skills and broaden cultural horizons. For example, reading The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry in its original French can be an engaging and beneficial experience. So friends, to read books for both benefit and pleasure, find your favorite genre. Don't limit yourself to just scientific literature, and read with intention. Start your journey into the world of books today, and you'll discover many new horizons. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel hit the like button, and leave a comment about your favorite books and genres. See you next time.